Maths is often described as a subject of boredom and laziness. Many people in this world think that maths is useless and it is a boring subject, but it is wrong. So today I am here to prove that. So here I bring you the 5 cool maths tricks which will increase your interest in numbers. So without any delay, let's start our video. So guys, welcome back to my channel Crazy Man aka CM. So let's start with the trick number 1. So the trick number 1 is nothing but if you follow these 4 steps which I am mentioning now, the answer will always be 37. So what are the steps? Let's look into it. Step number 1. First, you need to choose a 3-digit number with same digits, such as 333, that is nothing but 333. It is a 3-digit number and also having same digits. So next step you need to do is add the digits together. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9. So the third step is that you need to divide the original number with the sum. So the original number is 333 and the sum of the digits is 9. So divide it by 333 by 9, that is nothing but 37. This works with every single number. If you want it, you can try it out with numbers such as 111, 222 and etc. So let's move on to the second trick. The specialty of this second trick is that whatever you do, but the answer will always be 15. But you need to follow these steps. And now I'm thinking that your interest is growing in numbers. So you may be eager for the next tricks. But wait, it's an order. So let's go in an order wise. So the second trick, first step is that you need to think of any 3-digit number. It might not be in ascending order, descending order, any 3-digit number. So here I took it as 279. So now what you need to do is multiply that number by 3. So 279 into 3 equals to 837. Now third step, you need to add 45 to the answer. So 837 plus 45 is nothing but 882. Now multiply the answer by 2. So 882 into 2 is nothing but 1764. So you may be thinking how I did this much fast calculations. It is nothing, guys. Nothing is there in me, but I also use the calculator and wrote here, and I am just reading that one. If you want, and if you took some other number, you can use the calculator for your calculations. So let's move on to the fifth step. The fifth step is that you need to divide the answer by 6. This will give you 1764 by 6 is nothing but 294. So the sixth step is that you need to subtract your original number from this answer. So the original number is the first number that we took. So the first number is 279. So therefore it will also be the original number. So the answer minus original number, that is 294 minus 279 is nothing but 15. Surprising, right? You also may be shocked. First I was also shocked while I was doing this video, but then I understood the logic. Okay, if you keep on thinking and going, you will also understand the logic, guys. It is just a series of pattern which will bring the answer as 15. No need to worry, there is no magic, nothing, no tension. Okay, let's move on to the third trick. So the third trick is that it is the way of calculating 2-digit numbers in a lightning fast speed. So first let's take two numbers. One is 57, which will name it as X, and another is 79, which will name it as Y. So addition means X plus Y. Okay, so let's do it. Take 57 plus 79. Now the second step you need to do is split the second number into tens unit and ones unit. Okay, let's do it. So the second number is 79 and I splitted it into 70, which will come under tens place, and 9, which will come under ones place. So next one is in the tens addition, which is 57 plus 70. Okay, we need to do the tens addition, means that we need to add that 10th place that is here 70 with the first number. So the first number is 57 and the second number's 10th place is 70. So 57 plus 70 is nothing but 137. So the next step you need to do is you must add at the left place digit, which is 137 plus 9. Now we got the answer as 137. So if you add 137 and the ones place, you will get 146. That's it, you are done with the answer. So this is another way of finding the two digit numbers addition in a lightning fast speed. So I think your interest is slowly increasing, but don't worry, we have two more tricks to end up this video. So let's do it. Let's move on to the fourth trick. So the fourth trick is also a very easy one, and this is also a series of pattern like the first one and the second one, which will give you the answer as 2. Okay, let's do it. For this you need a friend. Okay, I have my friend Tony here. Let's ask him. So I said Tony to think of any number. He took 16. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is say him to multiply that which number he thought with 3. So he thought 16 and I said him to multiply with 3. He multiplied with 3 and he got 48. You can also use calculator for this trick. Okay, the next thing he did is to add 6 to that number, and it is based on my instructions. Okay, this is also a series of pattern which will give you that answer. Okay, so 48 plus 6 equals to 54. Now what you need to do is divide it with 3. If you divide it with 3, you will get the answer 18. Means for my specific number, that is 54, I got it as 18, but your number might be different, you might get a different answer. But in the last step, everyone will get the same answer. That is, whatever number you take, if it is 15 or 25, at the final answer in which you got in the fourth step, you need to multiply it. You need to subtract it with the number which you thought at first. That is, first my friend Tony thought number 16. So he multiplied 18 minus 16 and he got answer 2. It's a miracle. Okay, don't get tensed. As I mentioned, it is a series of pattern. Okay, let's go to the final last special one, trick number 5. Let's move on to that one. So the trick number 5 is a very easy one, but the most calculated one. Okay, so in this it is a little tricky, but I will explain you in a manner that it won't get tricky and you will understand it in an easy manner. So let's start it off. So you need to choose a number between 1 and 6. So my friend took any other number. In this I am not going to be mentioning any of the numbers because it takes a hard process to calculate and show you. So second step you need to do is multiply the number by 9. So if you take 5, multiply it by 9. If you take 6, multiply it by 9. If you take 1, multiply it by 9, and etc. Okay, so third thing you need to do, third step, is multiply the result after what you got by multiplying your thought number by 9. Okay, for example, if you took 5 nines are 45. Now we need to multiply that by 111. So 45 into 111, I don't know guys, come on, how will I know? Okay, you need to calculate and you need to find. Okay, let's do it. So the fourth step you need to do is multiply the result of the third step with 1001. That is why I'm not doing this calculation guys, come on. 1001 is a big number. How can I calculate in this? My mind, my small brain, how can I calculate? Okay, let's leave it aside and let's do it. Okay, now by calculating with 1001, I may get a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number. Now what you need to do is divide that number by 7. After dividing that number by 7, the answer which you will get will contain all the numbers, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay, for example, the number 6 yields the answer 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. Okay, for example, if you take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 or 6, any number you may take, but that answer will compulsory contain 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5 in any of the order. So guys, these were my top 5 cool max tricks. So if you like this video, please if you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is hashtag crazy man. And if you subscribe it, you will become into the CM army, that is the crazy man army, the craziest member, dab. Okay guys, and meet you on the next vlog. Bye.